What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I got my unks. Siempre Panama, y tú sabes. We working on a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu with the 1.5 turbo, eco tonk. I said tonk on purpose just in case you were wondering. And we had a code for a P1101, insufficient voltage or low voltage for the throttle pedal. And so we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna tell you guys what happened and what's going on right after the intro. All right, so like I say, got a little turbocharging 1.5 engine. We had two codes. First, we're having a problem with the start stop, so I could not remember how to get him to do the start stop. So we'll just quick YouTube search, and to disconnect the start stop, we just pop the hood, and that sensor right here, we just disconnected that. So now it does not do the stupid start stop thing anymore. Oh, where I put the computer. So let me hook up the computer and show you guys what's up, because I just actually got the code cleared, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. It's getting dark. I'm trying to hurry up. But we are at my favorite parts store. Plug in your OBD2 scanner, boom. Put your ignition on, key off. Do not have the bi-directional scan tool with me. Got the little cheap scoop. And basically what happened is he was having an issue where it was stalled. It was stalled randomly. So originally thought it was a start stop system, didn't know how to get it to turn off here. So I was like, bro, disconnect the damn hood switch, it'll make it come off. I didn't know that it actually made it come off, but I read somewhere that it did, and then he did it and it actually worked. We're not gonna erase codes. No codes found. Pending, no codes found. This is probably gonna come up because of that hood. Oh no, all right, so that was the pending one, that P1101. And then of course the engine hood switch. So that was the P25F, P257F, and P1101. Now they are showing as pending right now. They're not as stored codes. I'm gonna have him drive it. It's showing that it's a permanent code as well, so I'm not sure exactly how we're gonna get this off, but and he has an 8-hour drive. So what I did to actually get the code to go off the first time was I went inside of O'Reilly's and I got this throttle body cleaner. Now you're supposed to use a certain one for the certain one, but what I ended up doing was pulling off the intake mass airflow sensor here, and I pulled off this coupler for the throttle body by pulling this screw or that pin, pull it out and pull up. All right, so pull that out and then pull the intake up and cleaning out the throttle body. I was also checking through live data to see what the throttle position was in relation to where I was at. Did that. I haven't taken it for a long thorough drive, but after cleaning it out, taking out the mass airflow sensor, spraying it off, wiping it off very gently, I might add. You're supposed to use mass airflow sensor cleaner. I did not have any. I just used what I had that was gentler, less aggressive than parts cleaner, and cleaned it out and took it for a drive. It seems to be running fine. The code is still pending, so I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to come back up, but a quick fix if you guys just need to get back on the road: toothbrush, rag, CRC, throttle body and intake cleaner, and rock and roll. So I hope this video helps somebody. I know it's kind of short. It's getting dark. I'm trying to get home. I gotta wash my truck. We just got done mudding, but I needed to help Unc out on the side of the road or on the side of O'Reilly's at this point. So like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions or concerns, leave in a link down below, and I guess I'll give like a week update whenever we get done with this and see how we're doing. So until next time, mi gente, be promo no beneficio siempre. Peace.